Welcome to this week's edition of Gene and Cell Therapy Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs in gene and cell therapy. Brought to you by Lucid Quest, this series delivers highly curated insights into clinical trials, regulatory updates, and emerging therapies that are shaping the future of gene therapy. Ocugen has received FDA and EMA clearance for Phase 2-3 trials of OCU410ST targeting Stargardt disease, showing a 52% reduction in lesion growth and improved vision. The European Medicines Agency granted ATMP classification for OCU410 and OCU410ST, potentially expediting the review process. With Stargardt disease affecting 100,000 people in the US and Europe and geographic atrophy impacting up to 3 million, biologics license application filings are projected for 2027 and 2028. In a significant breakthrough, CALEC stem cell therapy restored vision in 92% of patients with severe corneal injuries. This therapy uses stem cells from a healthy eye to grow a tissue graft for transplantation. While further trials are needed for FDA approval, CALEC could redefine treatment for severe eye injuries. Adverum has launched the ARTEMIS Phase 3 trial for Ixo-vec, a one-time gene therapy for wet AMD. Involving 284 patients, the trial aims to reduce the need for frequent injections and could significantly improve the quality of life for 1.5 million wet AMD patients in the US. Vertex Pharmaceuticals ended its $400 million partnership with Verve Therapeutics to shift priorities. Verve retains rights to its PCSK9 targeting program and continues collaborating with Eli Lilly, highlighting a cautious investment trend in high-cost gene therapies. Avabis Bio's AVB114 received FDA Fast Track designation for treating Crohn's disease-related perianal fistulas. This implantable cell therapy is in Phase 2 trials, focusing on clinical and radiological remission outcomes. Crystal Biotech's Ixo-vec received a positive opinion from the EMA's Committee for Medicinal Products for Human Use for treating dystrophic epidermolysis bullosa, with a decision from the European Commission expected in the second quarter of 2025. InCell's EN001 received orphan drug designation from the FDA for Charcot-Marie-Tooth disease. Currently in Phase 1b trials, EN001 aims to repair nerve damage with promising early results. Capricer Therapeutics' Deramiocel received priority review from the FDA for treating DMD cardiomyopathy. A decision is expected by August 31, 2025, potentially making it the first approved therapy for this condition. In oncology, Carsten's SAR T-cell therapy, Satricel, received breakthrough therapy designation in China for treating advanced gastric cancer. A new drug application submission is planned for the first half of 2025. Orchard Therapeutics secured reimbursement approval for Livdelzi in Spain, expanding access for early-onset metachromatic leukodystrophy across Europe. Unicure reported $367.5 million in cash, supporting operations through 2027. The company is advancing AMT-130 for Huntington's disease and AMT-191 for Fabry disease, alongside regulatory progress on its gene therapy pipeline. Taysha Gene Therapy's TSHA-102 for Rett syndrome has shown promising tolerance and efficacy, with a financial runway extending into the fourth quarter of 2026. Sarepta Therapeutics reported record revenues of $638.2 million, driven by Elevity's sales. The company is also expanding its pipeline with new RNA therapies and plans to submit a biologics license application for SRP-9003 in 2025. Want to stay ahead of the latest gene and cell therapy research? Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. We cover breakthroughs across multiple therapy areas, so visit www.lqventures.com and reach out to Lucid Quest at info@lqventures.com for healthcare consulting services. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.